Okay children, let's continue. I hope you are getting interest to read a book. How? Teacher is pressurizing us to develop the habit of reading. No, I am not just. I'll just give introduction. I will take to the world how a reader feels. Who is a reader? Who reads books? Who reads, just read. So, let me introduce to such a character. So, how a child is feeling when she or he reads the book. Here is a little girl is reading that book, and what is her feeling is described in this poem. Okay. So, what is the poet's experience? Let us see. Okay. I opened and in I strode. I opened a book. Sorry children, let's start again. I opened a book. I opened a book and in I strode. Now nobody can find me. I have left my chair, my house, my road, my town and my world behind me. I am wearing the clock. I have slipped on the ring. I have swallowed the magic potion. I have fought with a dragon, dined with a king, and dived into a bottomless ocean. I opened a book and made some friends. I shared their tears and laughter and followed their road with its bumps and bends to the happily ever after. I finished my book and out I came. The cloak can no longer hide me. My chair and my house are just the same, but I have a book inside me. Julia Donaldson. So, it's a very beautiful poem children. So, I hope when I read you follow the words. Once again I will read it for you so that you practice it with me. Okay. Now, shall we start? Yes. 1, 2, go. I opened a book. I opened a book and in I strode. Now, nobody can find me. I have left my chair, my house, my road, my town and my world behind me. I am wearing the cloak. I have slipped up on the ring. I have swallowed the magic potion. I have fought with the dragon, dined with the king and dived in a bottomless ocean. I opened a book and made some friends. I shared their tears and laughter and followed their road with its bumps and bends to the happily ever after. I have finished my book and out I came. The cloak can no longer hide me. My chair and my house are just the same, but I have a book inside me. So here this beautiful poem reflects the world of a true reader. What this poem reflects? Of a true reader. So let's see how many of us gets inspiration from this child who is a true reader. So he is bringing us to her story. She is bringing her story to us. So how she feels when she reads, her total experience from starting a book to the end. What are the imagination things? What she felt, everything she is going to share with us. So after this, let me see how many of you find it interesting. Okay. Shall we start children? Yes. I opened a book and in I strode. That means just opened a book. I started walking. Yes, strode is the past form of stride children. See here, S-T-R-O-D-E is the past. This is the past verb. The present verb is stride. Sorry. Stride. Stride means walking with the long steps. Okay. Okay, so strode. She is saying, I opened a book and in I strode. That means with long steps I just walked in. Okay. Now nobody can find me. When I opened and just went inside, nobody can find me. That means that she is not really into the book, but totally lost herself in that book. Now nobody can find where I am. Understand how she is telling? But that means when I read a book, I just get totally lost in that. So nobody can find me. I have left my chair, my house, my road, my town and my world behind me. So the reader is saying, I have left my chair. When she is sitting and reading, so her body is only present there. Totally in her mind, she is in the book with the character. I have left my chair, my house, my road. That means she is saying how she gets connect to the book. When she gets connect to the book, she gets her connection with the world, material things around her gets detached. The detachment she feels. See, though she is sitting there, though she is inside her house, though she can see the roads, she can feel everything, she can't feel anything, as if totally she is inside the book, as if that means she is living the character over there while reading. Understand, children? Can you just imagine, just you are reading a story which is really very nice. For a moment you just, why? Okay, let me explain as I said, in your language. For example, language means not going to tell you something in Telugu or Hindi. I just say, what in the better way you understand. Suppose you are hearing your best music, the best song, what you like. Though everybody is sitting around you, though someone is saying, but if you are interested in the lyrics, if you are interested in that song, what do? You totally forget where are you. You just forget yourself in that song. The same thing she is also saying, that when I opened the book, that's all, I walked in. That means when I started, I am totally into it. So I left my chair, I left my house, I left my road, everything. Now I am nowhere. My town and my world, total my world. Who I am, she forgets. She forgets when she read. When she reads, she is the character over there. She feels as if the story is, she is doing that or she is in it. Understand? I am wearing the clock. I have slipped on the ring. So she is wearing the clock. Clock means here a kind of overcoat, a loose garment wear. So which is like something has magic, where she is hiding herself in that. You know, in your fairy tales you see a kind of coat you wear and you become total nowhere, invisible. Okay, she is saying long loose outer garment without sleeves. So she is wearing and she slipped into the ring, means she came into that character over there. Okay. I have swallowed the magic potion. Here magic potion, children, means a kind of liquid what is used, magical liquid which after drinking you become invisible, or normally she is telling about the story. Suppose now she said, I opened the book and lost herself in. So what is happening in that story? She is experiencing. She is about to feel, wearing some invisible some magical coat, drinking some magical liquid. What happens in your fairy tales, children? So she is feeling that. So she is saying, I am in that. I means she is feeling it in the story. I have fought with a dragon, dined with a king. So here she herself feels, as I said, she is herself feeling that I am a character in that story. She is saying, I have fought with, after taking that magical potion, I have fought with a dragon. Which dragon, you understand, in our stories, which from their mouth which gives out fire. So I have fought with a dragon and dined with a king. Dined means here having a meal. Underline the word and write having a meal. So she, with any king, she is dining, means taking her food. and dived into a bottomless ocean. Dived. Dive, do you understand children? When you jump, high jump into water. So she said, I dived into a bottomless oceans. Here really she is not doing it, but her experience with the character, she is with them when they are doing all this, she can feel it, she can imagine it as if she is living it. So these are the imagined characters about whom she is reading in the book. And because she has involved herself into that story so much, whatever the characters they are doing, she can feel it. She can, as if it is her feeling, as if she can experience, though she is not present in the body, but her mind totally could experience those acts what the characters are doing in the story, children. We'll continue in the next.